तो पॉज कर दीजिएगा ना, स्टार्ट करें. Good morning children, welcome to SST class. I am Aishwarya Singh and today we will discuss the chapter number 4, major landforms. In our previous class we have discussed about the mountains. In this class we will discuss these topics: plateaus, plains, desert and rivers. Let's start the class. We will discuss one by one. The first topic is plateaus. What are plateaus? Plateaus are flat topped highland. Like mountains, its peak is not conical, but its surface, the top surface is flat. I am drawing over here like this. Plateaus are also known as tableland. Why they are known as tableland? Because it looks like a table shape. It has a steep slopes and flat top. The top is flat, not like mountains. In mountains we have conical peak, but in plateaus we have the flat top. Okay. And it is also known as tableland. Generally the plateaus are extended hundred of kilometers. In India we have the plateau region in the southern part of our country, that is the Deccan Plateau. I am drawing for you, this part is totally covered, the peninsular India, this part is covered with plateau region. Okay, this is the plateau region of India. Now the world largest and highest plateau is located in the Tibet and is known as the Tibetan Plateau. And some more plateaus lies in the South America and North America, like the Colorado Plateau and the Bolivian Plateau. Now come to the features of plateau. What are the features of plateau? Features of plateau, like they generally found in dry regions and in the opposite side of the mountain. Opposite side of the mountain means ये कहाँ पाए जाते? Plateaus generally dry region में पाए जाते हैं due to the mountains के opposite side where जहाँ बारिश कम होती है. Like you can see over here in the opposite side of mountain, यहाँ rainfall हो जाता है, यहाँ wind clouds form होते हैं और इस portion को rain मिल रहा है, और ये चूँकि opposite side में तो इन्हें rainfall नहीं मिल रहा है, generally found in the dry regions. And due to high altitude means height from the sea level. Due to high altitude, the climate is cold in the plateau region and very short growing season. Growing season means the part of the year which is suitable for growing crops. तो crop growing के लिए बहुत short growing crop season होते हैं, ठीक है? These are the features. And one more thing, this surface is flat, thin layer of soil, and the grand canyons. The canyons are the main feature. Canyons is a new word. The canyons is the deep valley in the plateau region. The cut deep valley means दो plateau के बीच में जो deep valley होता है, that is canyons. So these are the features. First, in the dry region it found and the climate is cold and the canyons. These are the features of plateau. Now come to our next topic, that is plains. Plains are what? Plains are the flat lowland. Flat lowland, like it is flat and level land. It is not so much hilly like the mountains and plateaus. Plateaus की या mountains की तरह ये hilly नहीं होते हैं, ये flat और lowlands होते हैं. तो plains को हम लोग क्या भी बोल सकते हैं? Lowlands. इनको हम lowlands भी बोल सकते हैं. Plains are also. They generally form due to the deposition of sand and silt carried by the rivers. Rivers, when they come up from the mountains, they carry sand and silt with them. अपने साथ वो sand and silt लाते हैं. When they enter the plain, they deposit. When the speed becomes slow, उनकी speed जब slow तो वो क्या करते हैं? They deposited sand and silt on their banks, and these form the plains. In this way, like we have the northern plains in our country, it formed due to the deposition of sand and silt carried by the rivers. There are two types of plains, not only the plains formed by the rivers. We have the like coastal plains also. In India we have the coastal plains. In the peninsular India, you can see this region, this totally is coastal plains. This whole area is coastal plains, near the plain land near the coastal plains. And in the interior of the country we have the northern plain, that is formed by the deposition of the rivers carried by the rivers, sand and silt, by them they are formed. Now come to the importance of plains. As it formed by the deposition of rivers, they are very fertile land. They are very fertile land and very good for the growing of crops. Agriculture, for agriculture, they are very good land for agriculture. Now, and most of the big cities and towns are located in the plains. Okay, most of the cities and towns are located in the plains, and you will say it is very easier. Why? It is very easier to construct railways, roadways, buildings, airports, because of the flat land. It is very easier to construct these construction. Any construction is very easier in the plain region in comparison to like mountains and plateaus और mountains से अगर compare किया जाए तो plains क्या very easy हो पड़ जाता है किसी भी construction के लिए. That is very suitable, and also the thick layer of soil that is very fertile and also good for the agriculture. Now next move to the next topic, that is desert. Desert is what? Desert is a type of landforms which is very dry, which is found in very dry region, which receive very less rainfall. This area receive very less rainfall and it is a very dry region. And the main features of the desert are here the features like here the days and nights days are very hot and nights are very cold. As you know, आपने 4 में भी पढ़ा था, the lands become heat more faster and cools also faster in a faster rate. So days are very hot and the nights are very cold. The second is a frequent dust system. Second feature is frequent. Frequent means तुरंत हर समय वहाँ पे dust storms आते रहते हैं. Okay, the frequent dust storms are common here in the desert region. This the third point is hills of sand, that is known as sand dunes. Hills of sand are known as sand dunes. तो sand dunes भी common है यहाँ पे. Generally we find hills of sand in the desert region that are known as sand dunes. Now very little vegetation. Vegetation means plant life. So very little vegetation. Why very little vegetation? Because of, as I told you, very little rainfall or no rainfall. So due to very little rainfall, it is very less rainfall. It is very here very little vegetations are there. Very mosses, bushes are. So these are the common vegetation. Yes, and most deserts are if we find most deserts are located in the western side of the continents. Okay, it is because the easterly winds. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि generally western side में desert पाए जाते हैं? क्योंकि जब ईस्टर्न साइड्स के जो मॉइस्चर कंटेनिंग विंड्स होते हैं जिसमें मॉइस्चर होता है वो बारिश करवाते करवाते ईस्टर्न साइड से जब तक वो वेस्टर्न की तरफ आते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन द मॉइस्चर बिकम लॉस्ट क्योंकि रेनफॉल पहले ही वो विंड कॉज कर चुके होते हैं और जब तक वो डिजर्ट रीजन तक आते हैं वेस्टर्न साइड में तो उनमें मॉइस्चर ख़त्म रहता है. दैट इज़ वाई द क्लाइमेट इज़ वेरी हॉट एंड लाइक ड्राई रीजन ड्यू टू दिस.